Yes. Listen. So the first question is given that A is the set containing the elements 1 to 14 elements. Define the relation R from A to A. So here the question is given to you that A is the set which containing the elements 1, 2, 3 and so on till the 14 elements are. So the question is given to you that relation R is a relation defined from A to A. A to A is nothing but A cross A ka subset. So here it is given that R is the subset of A cross A. That is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 14, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 14, 3, 1, like that. All the ordered pairs will be there in A class C. From that one subset is taken. So that relation is defined to you. R is defined as an ordered pairs which containing the x comma y such that 3x minus y is equals to 0 where x comma y belongs to A. This is the relation is given. Now here write the domain and write its domain, codomain and range of this particular relation. So first we need to list out the relation. What is the relation we are going to have here, which is satisfied. So 3x minus y is equals to 0, satisfying x, y values we need. So 3x minus y is equals to 0 implies y is equals to 3x. X can be taken 1 to 14, कुछ भी numbers. Y also we should get 1 to 14 on. 14 से ज़्यादा नहीं आना. So this implies if x is equals to 1 implies y is equals to 3. Then 1, 3 belongs to the relation. If x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3 into 2 because 3x na. So we are going to get 6. Then 2, 6 belongs to the relation. If x is equals to 3, y is equals to 3 into 3, that is 9. Then 3, 9 belongs to the relation. सर अब किधर तक लेंगे ऐसा? यही लास्ट होगा. If x equal to 5 is taken, y 15 हो जाएगा. 15 is not at all present here. वो भी देखना है. So there is a possibility of ordered pairs are only 4 ordered pairs we are going to get. Y is equals to 3 into 4 which is equals to 12. Then 4, 12 belongs to the relation. 4, 12. So x is equals to 5 implies y is equals to 3 into 5 which is equals to 15 which is not present in A. Does not belong. ये compulsory A में होना. So therefore the relation, what is the relation R we are going to get here in a roster form? R in a roster form. This is the set builder form of the R. But roster form में लिखना है हम लोगों को domain लिखना है. Domain codomain होने की. So what is the elements we are going to have? 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. So what is the domain of R? Set which containing the elements only 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Domain area. What is asking still? Codomain. Codomain of R. What is codomain of R? Codomain is 3, 6, 9, 12. Na? No, that is range. All the elements of the second set. Suppose here it is defined from A to A bola. So second set is what? A. So here it is 1, 2, 3 and so on till the 14. Or you can write directly A. Range. Three, 6, 9, 12. That's all. Okay? समझ में आया ना? Very simple questions you are going to have here. Second question is define the relation R and set up the natural number such that x comma y is equals to x plus y. X is a natural number less than 4. X is a natural number less than 4. So natural number less than 4, what you are having? 1, 2, 3. Just 1, 2, 3 you have to substitute. So 1 if you are substituting, 6 we are going to get 1, 6, 2 you are substituting, 7 we are going to get 2, 7, 3 you are substituting, 3, 8 you are going to get. 4 should not be substituted because x value is less than 4, it is given to you. Less than 4 is given to you. Clear hai na? So 3 elements only you are going to get it. Then after depict this relationship using the roster form. हो गया roster form. हवा में बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Okay. Easy है ना? Okay. And domain and range is asking. Domain is 1, 2, 3. Range is 6, 7, 8. हो गया problem. Okay. Third question, whenever you are taking 1, 2, 3, 5 is given to you, 4 is not given. Be careful here. Most of the students will commit a mistake that in a confusion 4 is also there बोल के वो क्वेश्चन में देख के करता है. ये मैं बहुत ज्यादा देख लिया है. बिकॉज जल्दीबाजी में होता है एग्जाम में, इधर जल्दीबाजी में होता है एग्जाम में कंफ्यूजन में होता है. So these things you have to be little bit careful here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 9. Define the relation R from A to B. Difference between the X and Y is R. दोनों का difference odd number होगा. Difference, when do you get odd number? Two even numbers subtracting means difference means when you are finding the difference between the two even numbers, even minus even number, odd minus odd, odd minus odd number, odd minus odd number होगा, even number होगा. Odd number minus odd number also even number. So even and odd means difference finding means odd number. So that means you need to take the very simple concept here. You can take that. The question is given to you 1, 3, 5. Third question. Set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5. Set B is equals to 4, 6, 9. So what is the relation is asking? Difference between the X and Y is R. Difference between the X and Y is R. So relation R, we need to get it as a one even number and odd number should be taken into consideration. So now whatever the elements you are taking is an odd number, R in the roster form में लिखना. So what elements you are going to get it here? One is an odd number. Odd number means इसमें even numbers क्या है वो लिखो. Simple है 1, 4, 1, 6. दोनों का difference odd number हो जाएगा. 1, 9 लिखना नहीं. Difference बोल रहे हैं. Difference is nothing but difference and subtraction का difference क्या है? Difference and subtraction का difference क्या है? Difference is nothing but greater number minus smaller number. 1 minus 4. Difference of 1 and 4. 1 minus 4 whenever I am saying, it is minus 3. Difference of 1 and 4 if I am saying, plus 3. Because difference of 4 and 1 if I am saying, also plus 3. Difference is nothing but greater minus small. Terminology you should be really very careful. English भी बहुत ज़्यादा आना है. मैथमेटिक्स के साथ समझने के लिए इंग्लिश भी ज्यादा है. इंक्रीज्ड बाई, इंक्रीज्ड टू, ये तो बाई और टू, ये दोनों में बहुत अंतर होता है. माय परसेंटेज इज इंक्रीज्ड टू 75 टू 90 मींस वो 90 बन गया है. टू बोले तो 90 बन गया परसेंटेज. माय परसेंटेज इज इंक्रीज्ड बाई 10%. 10% बढ़ गया पहले से. पहले 75 हो गया, वो 85 हो गया. So that is the difference between the two and y. एक छोटा सा वर्ड है ना. So most of the students will get confused this. So these things you better you concentrate here. Difference is given to you here. So 1, 6. 2 ले लिया तो odd number लेना है. 2, 9 आएगा. टू कामा 9. 3 odd number. Odd number ले तो even number है. 3, 4, 3, 6. 5, 4, 5, 6. That's all. The difference is. This is roster. Just directly I told you. You can write a very clear explanation in your answer that as the difference between the odd and even numbers is odd number. So one odd number ले लिया तो second वाला even number लेना है. First वाला even number ले लिया तो second वाला odd number. Or directly you can by writing that statement. वो एक statement लिख के then you have to do it. Then after domain and Domain and range. What is asking to you here? Roster form only asking. Domain and range is not asking. Next, coming to the fourth question. Figure दे दिया है 5, 6, 7 shows the relation between the P and Q. Write this relation in a set builder form and in the roster form. So set builder form में लिखने के लिए बोलते हैं. So set builder form लिखने के लिए first what to do here? The question is given to you like this. Two sets are given to you, P, Q. Here it is given 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. So इधर से ये diagrammatical form, arrow diagram is given. 5 is related to 3, 6 is related to 4, 7 is related to 5. Actually, whenever you are taking set builder form is not unique. Unique is nothing but एक वे नहीं है. मैं एक तरह सोचता हूँ, दूसरा तरह सोचता है. Set builder form एक ही तरह नहीं आया. Roster form is only one way. So first you have to write the what is P and Q sets in a set normal roster form. It is going to have the elements 5, 6, 7 and Q is going to have the elements 3, 4, 5. So relation here it is given to you that between these two sets. It is shows the relationship between these two. So actually it is not P cross Q. This diagram is not P cross Q. P cross Q में क्या होता है? इधर से इधर और इधर से इधर भी हो. इधर से उधर होगा, इधर से इधर भी. ये दोनों भी connection. This is the only relation. Now relation, how do you write here? X comma y such that x comma y such that you have to write the relation between these two. I can write it as a this is x first one. ये दोनों का difference 2 है. ये दोनों का difference 2 है. ये दोनों का difference 2. Or is there any other way? X minus y is equals to 2. I am writing. Where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. This is the roster form. Do you have any other idea to write? मैं ऐसा नहीं लिखूंगा सर, दूसरी तरह राइट. हाँ, x is equals to y plus 2 both same हो जाएगा. Difference between the x and y. Difference sentence. Difference between the x and y is 2. Difference between the x and y is 2. So obviously this number is greater than this number होगा. y minus 3 is 2. वो भी लिख सकते हैं. रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है. y minus x is equals to minus 2 लिख सकते हैं. Is there any other way of sum of these two? x plus y is equals to इधर 8 आ रहे हैं, इधर 10 आ रहे हैं, इधर 12 आ रहे हैं. तो यूनिक वे नहीं है. So you cannot write the sum. Sum case consider करके नहीं लिख सकते. हाँ. Even. But how do you write in a roster form? In a roster form, x generalize करना. इधर क्या करना है? एक general है. ये general variable है. General ordered pair. General ordered pair by taking the general ordered pair, and you need to find the relation between these two. Okay, you are saying that odd number related, even number related. इधर भी odd number. But you cannot say that in a single way, single sentence की जैसा नहीं लिख सकते ना. Okay, roster form लिख सकते हैं. Can you do these problems like this? Very easy exercise है. And in this fifth problem is given to you. R is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. R is the relation defined by A comma B. A is exactly divisible by A. So B is exactly divisible by A. So B is exactly divisible by A. So that is nothing but which numbers are divisible by which numbers. That you have to take into consideration. B is exactly divisible by A is nothing but here. A if you take 1. B what do you get here? B is exactly divisible by A. So 1 is the factor, means A is the factor of B. B is exactly divisible by A. It's nothing but A is the factor of B. So 1 is the factor to every number. So that's why we are going to get 1 comma 1 आएगा, 1 comma 2 आएगा, 1 comma 3 and so on 1 comma 6 है ना, 6 तक हो. 2 ले लिया तो 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. 3 ले लिया तो 3, 3, 6. If you are taking 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6 हो गया. Second one is given to you, write R in roster from domain and range is asking. 60 question is given to you, relation on R defined by R, x, x plus y. x, x plus 5. First x 1, 0 ले लिया, 0, 5 होगा. 1 ले लिया, 1, 6 होगा. 1, 6 होगा. हाँ? It is given to you. When you observe, determine the domain and range of the relation is given to you. Here, this relation is defined on which set is not given to you. किस set में define है बोल के नहीं दिया. Here it is given x is belongs to 0 to 5 है. X is belongs to 0 to 5. Relation is defined from that set is not given to you. So you have to take 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7. Actually, whenever relation is there, compulsory relation is given to you. It is defined on which set it should be written. वो एक ही set में है, वो set लिखना है compulsory देना. In this it is not given to you. Seventh question, if you are taking prime number less than 10 in a roster form, x, x cube. Less than 10 prime numbers क्या है? वो x की जगह में लेना है. तो x cube बड़ा नंबर हो सकता है. Means prime numbers क्या है? 2, 3, 5, 7. 9 is not. So 2, 2 cube, 3, 3 cube, 4, 5, 5 cube, 7, 7 cube. 7 cube कितना है? 340. Cubes up to 10 you need to remember. Next, 8th question is also very simple here. X, Y, Z. Find the number of relations from A to B. First set में 3 है, second set में 2 है. Number of relations कितना है? रुद्रनील. Set A is having X, Y, Z. Set B is having 1, 2. Number of relations from A to B is asking. कितना relations होगा? Six है. How many of you will accept 6?
64, sir.
How? 64 कैसे?
2 to the power 6.
2 power 6. 6 elements will be there in the Cartesian product. Here number of relations asking. Number of relations is nothing but number of subsets. Number of subsets is nothing but 2 power. 2 power of 6. 2 power 6 is 64. Ninth question is given to you. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range. Very simple question here, and you can complete it. Okay.